Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. If this is the first time that you're checking out a video, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Now a whole bunch of you guys are looking out for some updates on the Scatpack. It's a 2019 wide body Challenger Scatpack, and it belongs to my buddy Peter. He has it over at Genetti Racing, and he's really doing an awesome job building this thing up. Now it's gone through several different phases. The first phase was a little bit of a bolt-on. They put a Hellcat throttle body on there, long tube headers, air raid cold air intake, and a dyno tune. It showed some gains, but they decided that a twin turbo Helion setup was the next phase, so they took all the bolt-ons off, brought it back to its stock form, did the twin turbo setup, and you guys have seen the results. They did it at 4 pounds and 10 pounds.
That's what we got. So, wow. Going from 4 pounds to 10 pounds. You know, we had made, what was it, 617, and now we're 770. So we're up another, what is that, 617, 17, 70, so we're up another 150 horsepower.
Wow.
And the torque obviously went from just over 600, 602 to 752, so 150 more foot-pounds of torque.
They cranked it all the way up to 15 pounds and decided to call it quits. The engine just wasn't capable of handling that much torque and power. So now it's getting fully forged, and it has a stroker kit that's now a 430. So we've been kind of waiting around, seeing how this new forged 430 is going to play out, and it's really cool to see it back in the engine bay over at Genetti Racing. Along with the stroker kit and the fully forged bottom end, it now has a Genetti Racing forced air cam, so we're going to be on the lookout for some dyno results, hopefully late this week, maybe early next week. But I wanted to give you guys a status, and I'm going to roll the footage on a couple of other upgrades that this new engine in the Scatpack has.
Alright, so some of the things that are new with this setup for sure is the ATI balancer. We went with a larger balancer because now the alternator will have more power because it'll be spinning faster. The Helion bracket no longer fit because of that, so all of this had to get machined out. So that's nice now. New Edelbrock intake and their matching fuel rails. We did some small custom things here with the turbo kit. We went and bought the Casper throttle body adapter, so we didn't have to cut and splice any wiring. That made it nice and easy. The throttle body is a Hellcat one. It's now facing forward, where the Scatpack one faces to the angle. So we will be making a custom charge pipe for there. All the hot side piping for the turbo kit has been coated. And we had made custom heat shields to help separate some of that hot air from the filter.
I think you mentioned that injectors. There's a difference.
Yep, and now with the Edelbrock fuel rails, you're pretty much dedicated to the height of the injector. Before we were running injector dynamics with adapters. Now we have the exact fit FIC injectors for a Hemi.
Alrighty. Fantastic. And the clutch is triple plate. Is that a triple plate monster there?
Yes.
Alrighty. Wow. Alright.
Yeah. Let me see if I can find the original Scatpack power curve. pull that up too, so we have a basis. Scatpack baseline. And there you go. So stock. We got stock. We got 4 pounds of boost, 10 pounds of boost, and all the curves look very, very similar.
Yeah.
Does all the same thing. It's just more and more airflow. Obviously, fuel. We're going to be putting a 4 Innovations return fuel system in this to keep up with this 10 pounds. And we're going to run it like this for a while and see how well the engine holds up. We're going to do some durability testing. So take it out on the street and torture it. And you know, like I said, if we break it, we break it. We're going to, you know, we have a forge internal in the back room. I'm not trying to break it. I'm trying to see what the stock parts will handle. That's the goal. And sometimes, you know, you got to break something before you figure it out.